Modi.
But you'll need one more for the designer, no?
I'm getting one more.
Yeah, we need more.
Yeah, I'll go into the back. Now you know what I went to?
We need more chairs. How many more? 3 more chairs.
There are two, right? Or there's one? There's two.
We need one more. We need one more. 1 second. Can you shut the door,
The Posture Conference for Anushri Reddy and we have Shilpa Shetty. Amo by Jade and we have Pooja Hegde and Swa by Sonam and Paras Modi and we have Prachi Desai. Since there are a lot of us, let's all talk about the collections, inspiration, and all of you beautiful women can talk about walking the ramp for your respective designers. Start with you.
Collection is titled Maupassant and it's inspired from the 1920s era. The architectural influences have been picked up from Paris and we've created a very vintage feel. We did the first time ever we've done a fashion film with Prachi Desai and we've given the same mood to the film as well as our entire show was about a vintage bride.
I think it's always amazing walking for Paras and Sonam. For the past 3 years, I've been wearing some stunning outfits from their collections, and every time I wear any of their pieces is when I get the most amount of compliments. So yes, it's really special being here for them today. And I think I'm really waiting for Diwali so that I can wear more from their from their line. And I think this particular outfit for me was very special because it's the only black one from their line. I think specially created for the showstoppers. So yes, that really makes me feel very special. And I think I had one of the best times ever.
Well, I'm wearing Anushri Reddy, as you all are aware, and the creation is from her line called The Wedding Chronicles, and I just love the use of flowers. It's very Portobello market meets the Mughal era with all her Zardozi. So, barring from the fact that every bride has to wear a heavy lehenga, and she kept up to that tradition. I just think it's so feminine, so beautiful, and it has this whole amalgam of modern meeting vintage. So I really love the piece and let the designer speak for herself.
Hi, so my collection is called The Wedding Chronicle. So basically, being from Hyderabad, I've drawn inspiration from the Mughal era. So that, there used to be Zardozi originated from there. So taking that, I've sort of, built on it and come up with these motifs. And I've also used my signature floral prints, but in a bit more of a different color story this time. And the the entire collection basically revolves around like a very fun, a wedding, the entire mood of a wedding, but a very fun wedding. So basically think destination wedding, and we started at that, and yeah, so the collection there took place on that. Yeah, so I'm wearing Amor by Jade. I can just talk about my personal experience whenever I pass their store, I always look at their display pieces, and they do bridal so well. And I said, I can't bear that now. But I'm really glad that they've created this new line, which is younger. They've actually traveled all over India, taking inspiration from our heritage area places, and they've taken inspiration and put their own modern spin on their new line, and it's really fun, young, comfortable to wear. So thank you, because I think now I can wear jade more often.
So Amor is about the eternal wanderer. With every seeker, there is a sense of serenity and a sense of peace, and Monica and I have drawn from that this season. So the collection has an amalgamation of textures and culture and ethos, and the vibe is still very easy, laid back, carefree. Monica.
Amor is launched by Jade this season. It is our new luxury press line. So we've kept it very easy, free-flowing, and I think Pooja is perfect for it. Thank you, Pooja.
Thank you. We'll open the floor for some questions.
Shilpa, what do you have to say about this beautiful artist?
Yes, sir.
What are the things that you like in the collection?
I think the best part about being a woman is to be able to dress up, and I absolutely adore the whole process. It just makes me feel very, very feminine, and I said that before. So her entire line is very wearable. I feel like getting married again. Obviously, to the same person. The next controversy. No, so yeah, I think it's such a special day. The day you pick for your wedding, and what you wear on that day has to be really, really special, because you can't change that. So you have to be sure about the outfit you pick up. I would definitely go for something like this. Yeah.
Prachi, how was the experience today?
Thank you. It was fabulous. I think they already made me feel so very special during the video shoot that we did for this particular collection. It's a first for them, and I loved being a part of it. And I think just to carry that forward today was really, really nice. I did have a bit of, I think I had a bit of nerves before getting on stage, but the minute I was there, I think I just felt like a princess, and that just, I think for every girl, that's the most special moment.